What's up everybody, this is Ilya with a quick video on what I think is the best way to store an electrical cord.
Coiling up cords is great for short cords that you don't use very often. But for that really long cord that you like to use all the time, there's a better way. Start by putting a piece of colored electrical tape on either end of the cord so it's easy to find. Take the end that plugs into the wall, give it about 5 feet, and tie it to the milk crate so it doesn't get pulled away. Once you plug the electrical cord into the wall, simply grab the other end and walk away with it. The cord will automatically uncoil as you walk towards your project. When you're done using the cord, simply stand over the milk crate and just pull the cord back in.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see other videos with great tips, click subscribe below so you get notified when I post new videos. Thanks. Bye.